Hi my rubies, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you mean a lot to me. You are a ruby, you're a gemstone, you are special. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. Yes, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, yes, my name is Furo and I'm a Port Harcourt based YouTuber. So guys, please, thank you so much for clicking through this video. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Yes, if you have watched my food haul, you will see this buff mix. I promise I was going to bring the video to you, but if you have not watched it, please, it's in the description box. Go and watch it, and I'm also going to be linking it up in the card. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Yes guys, so we're going to start making this puff to see what is going to turn out to. So we need a bowl for mixing the whole mix, right? Yes, we need a bowl. So get your bowl and let's start some business. Let's do some business. Yeah, so guys, we need water to make sure everything mixed together. So that's basically all we'll be needing for this green ingredient. So I had sugar because the pack say you can add sugar if you desire. So I just got this sugar so that in case I need some more sugar, I will add. Yeah, so that's the granulated sugar I have. So this is the puff mixture. So let's see how this thing is going to turn out. Is it good? Is it recommended for the people that like the easy life? Yes. Let's see if I will recommend this puff for you guys. Yes. So I'm just going to turn in. If you bring out the puff from the pack, the mix, this is what you're going to see. Just a transparent bag and the mix in it. So I'm just going to turn it into the bowl. Very easy. You don't need to crack your head for mixing puff. This you don't need. Everything is mixed for you. Very easy. Yes, that is, I give it to them. That is very good. So I'm just going to add a little sugar because I'm making this thing for kids and kids like something sweet. So I'm just going to add some more sugar, but if you're an adult, you don't need to add sugar, or if your kids are not sweet tooth, you don't worry. So I'm just going to mix everything together so that the sugar and the whole mix incorporate together, and then I'm going to add my water. So sorry guys for using my hands to block your view, but it's okay. I just added a bit of water and then I'll mix everything. Yeah, right now it's going to get messy, so please take notes. Yeah, it's getting messy. Take note. If you don't like messy, I don't know what you're gonna do right now, but it's gonna get messy. So I'm just going to mix everything together as you're seeing me do. Mix them. You can also use a spoon, a spatula, whatever you have to mix it. If you don't want to use your hands, it's still okay, girl. You're gonna get the same result. So let's just keep mixing to make sure the water and the sugar and the mix all mix together. Capiche? Capisha. So let's go, babe. So we're done mixing it. Yes, we are done mixing it. So now we have to cover it and keep it to double in size. If you're in Nigeria, we like things double. Yes. So yes, I'm just going to use my foil paper. I would have used my towel, but I don't want my kitchen towel to get messy, so I decided to use the foil paper so that I can just trash it. We love the easy life. So I'm just going to cover it. Don't mind that laugh. It's just still apply. I'll cover it and keep.
A few moments later.
So after keeping it for like I think 40 minutes, yes, you can see the mess that would have happened to my kitchen towel. No, I'm not in that business, so I use foil. So you see, it's all doubled in size. So I kept it for like 40 minutes because I had other things to do. So I just forgot it and went about my business. So I kept it 40 minutes in my oven, and I love the size. So it's time to fry the thing. Sorry, this place is a bit dark, but we're improving. We are working on our quality. Okay. So just fry it. Easy, very peasy. Just put in the deep oil. So I used the pot, add some vegetable oil in it, and then I started frying. And once I was done frying, this is what it came out as. So I wanted big balls so that it can fill my cake. So I wanted the big balls. So you just use the size you want, any size. So it's all cooked, and I'm just bringing it out from the pot just to serve it. So you can serve this thing with zobo. It's so tasty with zobo drink. In case you don't know how to make zobo drink, I'm going to be linking a video in the description box for you to see how I made my zobo drink. And this is my brown big beautiful bold buff looking at me. I must recommend this mix. It's so good if you're someone that don't have time to mix this buff mix yourself from the scratch. Is so good. I recommend it. It came out exactly the same. But if you want to learn how to make the buff from the scratch, you don't want to use this mix, you're a homely girl, you're a wife material, and you want to make your buff 100% from the scratch, babe, put in the comment section. I'll be making that video for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and your comments in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in another video. Bye bye.